World's first God, Vinayaka. This day has to be a best day. Please bless me, God. Daddy? Daddy!
What happened, my son? You're calling me so lovingly early in the morning. Why? Do you want some money? Huh?
Dad, please call me mommy.
What is the reason?
I tell you, call her.
I'll call her. Lakshmi! Hey, Lakshmi! She'll come only if I call her Sita Lakshmi. Hey, Sita Lakshmi!
Oh my god, why are you screaming like this? What do you want
Why are you
now?
asking me? You ask your son.
What
Mom,
happened
this
here?
is his, isn't it?
Yes.
Please be there, okay?
Hey, what is he doing? Why are you coming around us like this?
Please bless me, Dad.
My dear son, just like how Vinayaka went around Shiva and Parvati, you are coming around the both of us. What is the reason, my son?
Dad, today I have a revision test in school, so I have to get a good mark in that. Please bless me, Dad.
Oh, is it so? Okay.
Darling, today our son has the exams. Let me bring some sweets, okay?
My dear son, instead of worshipping the gods, you're worshipping us?
Dad and mommy are the first God, and then only God.
Oh no, I can't believe this. I'm really proud of you, my son. I wish every family is blessed with a son like you.
Don't flatter me too much, Dad. I have goosebumps.
Hey, please wait. Before you go, worship Lord Vinayaka.
Vinayaka is always with me, Dad.
I just can't believe what happened. My son has become so religious and pious.
Darling, idol of Ganesha is lost.
What? The idol is gone.
Oh my God, Murugeshan God, please give me everything to me.
Oh, Marudamalai Lord, you have to bless everyone. We have got you as a boon from Lord Parani. Why are you looking so devotional today?
Daddy, you always say Muruga, right? I also have the same blood of yours, Daddy.
Let me praise the Lord Muruga. Muruga, my God, my Savior, who answers all my prayers, who has given me a lovely son. What should I call you? What should I call you, my son Parani?
What are you, darling? Why are you singing about Kandapurana?
Darling, look at our son Parani. Till yesterday, he did not have faith. Now he has become highly devotional. It is amazing.
Oh, what happened, my dear son?
Today I'm having exam at school, Mom.
Very good, my dear. Before you go to school now, I'll get everything ready, right? Okay?
Okay,
Huh.
Mom. Daddy, I need your blessings today.
My son, you are not going to an examination. You are going to a war. Examination is like a war, my son. Yes, son. You will be successful.
I will pass my
Lord
examination.
Muruga,
I will pass
you have
my
been
exam.
kind to me.
I will pass
Very
my
kind to
exam.
me.
We lost the silver whale, which we plan to donate to Tiruchendur Muruga.
Muruga.
Oh God, please help me. I want to study well. I should get good marks in all the exam. I should become school first. I should become district first. Please God help me. Please. Oh, please God.
Hey.
Please.
In being religious, my son is just like my
What
dad.
you said?
Just like your dad, huh? Nobody is a fraud just like your father. When he first time came to see me, he said he didn't want any dowry. But you know, before tying the knot, he wanted 10,000 rupees. Or else he'll not tie the knot. That's what your father said, right? But my son is just like my father.
Hey, there's nothing good about your dad. He borrowed 10,000 on our wedding day. He didn't return it so far. You're talking about him?
Dad, just leave it. Mom, why are you always fighting with Dad? I have to go to school. Get the tiffin box ready. But one condition. 10 idli, 20 dosa. Only this should be packed, okay? Because I'm on diet. So, Mom.
You're just like your father.
Dad,
Yes.
I'm not like both of these fathers. My way. It's a unique way.
Hey, what is so special today? You've been worshipping the goddess like this?
Daddy, politicians get devotion during the election time. For the cine people, they get the devotion during the film release. For the students like me, devotion comes when only the exam comes. Om Shakti. Om
Hey, what?
Shakti.
You have exams today?
Yes, Daddy.
How much money do you want?
I need 280 rupees, Daddy.
Here, take 300 rupees. Go and pay the exam fees with this.
Dad, I only need 280 rupees. You keep this 20 rupees. Why are you looking like that, Daddy? Your hard work, so much to get each and every penny in life. Please keep that money in your pocket, Daddy.
Hey, I'm so grateful to God that He has blessed me with a son like you.
You will come to know about your luck after some time, Daddy.
Did you say anything?
No, nothing, Dad. You're talking non-stop. How can I go to exam, Dad?
Okay, carry on.
Om Shakti.
Om Shakti.
Om Shakti. Om Shakti.
What? 1,000 rupees is missing?
All together for this idol, I will give you 3,000 rupees.
Get some more money, said G.
What? I don't have the habit of negotiating, okay? Basically, I will not buy these kind of theft materials also. There is a saying that robbed Vinayaka idol will bring you luck. That is the reason I purchased this.
You are lagging so much for Vinayaka. His brother, Murugan's veil is here. How much you will give for
Huh?
this?
I don't want the sin of separating two brothers. For this veil, I'll give you 1,000 rupees. All in the name of God. Here is the sum of 4,000 rupees. Have it.
From now onwards.
Everything is success for us.
Swamiye Saranamayappa.
Swami. Hello, Swami. When are you going to Sabarimala? I'm asking you only. Why are you not replying to me?
Hey, I'm a teacher and you're a student. Please mind your language when you talk to me.
I know how you became a teacher. You copied from the student who was sitting next to you and you became a teacher. But I'm not like that, no? I am straightforward. But I didn't copy from anybody. I was studying in the same class for 2 years. For the past 24 years, I'm studying in the same school.
Hey, don't insult me like this.
Then tell me, should I get in or get out? Tell me fast. Should I be in or out? In, out, in,
Hey,
out.
it'll be good if you get out. Because if you come in, the students will get spoiled.
Which boys? These boys? They are all already spoiled. You know one thing? I was spoiled because of them.
Are you going to leave or not?
Okay. 50 rupees for what?
Get out.
Bloody, please give me now.
Hey, get lost.
This is your only bad habit. You will not give. I should only take it. 50 rupees enough for me. Keep this 50 with you. Tomorrow I'll come back. Don't spend
Go.
it. Swami!
The biggest mistake I did was having him as my friend. Veeramani,
Prasanth Sami.
why are you calling me Swami?
Yes, Sami. You are about to go to Sabarimala now. So we should not call you as Sir. We should call you as Sami. Sami.
Hey. Already my name is P.T. Swami. You were waiting to call me by name. Now you've got a very good chance of doing that. Sit down.
How is it, Sami? There is a saying, master's son is a fool. Your father is also a master. Still, you are very, very sharp, Sami. How is it possible, Sami?
Sit down. Pooja,
Present, sir.
Anita,
Yes, sir.
Vicky,
Prasanth Sami.
Parani,
Prasanth Sami.
Lakshmipati.
Prasanth Sami.
Huh? Hey, all three of you get up. Hey, I want Vicky, Parani, Lakshmipati, all three of you to stand up right now. Get up. Why did you answer for them?
They are all my friends.
Because of that, you'll do this? This won't work. You bring your father.
He won't come, Sami, because in AVM studio he is giving voice to Siranjeevi sir.
Then ask your mother to come.
She is dubbing for Vijay Shanti.
Hey, your entire family is giving voice for others?
Sami, yes, Sami.
What are you staring at?
Are you going to beat me?
What will you do if I beat you?
Okay, then beat me.
Come on, show your hand.
If I show you, you'll beat me.
Hey, do you want me to break your head?
I think you didn't get the news, Sami. Sami, in Pudukkottai, a student was beaten by a master like you. He had poison and died in the hospital. So that master was dismissed from the school. And one more thing, in our Chennai Vilivakam area, a student named Ramu was beaten by a master and he gave complaint in the police station. The master was sent to prison. Now the master's wife is running from police station to high court and again high court to police station. She is running and roaming here and there. Not only that, the master's son was also serving tea in the police station. I heard about it. Why am I telling you all this? You beat Sami. Beat Sami. I heard your son also studying in the same school. Beat Sami. Sami, beat Sami. Beat me, 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 Sami.
Hey, stop it. Stop it, I say. What are you all doing? If you study well, you can become a doctor, engineer, or even become a commissioner. If you don't study, you'll all be grazing cattle all your life. Who's the loser? Now listen to me carefully. If you don't concentrate on your studies and don't be disciplined when you're young, you'll never come up in life. I don't even bother. Hey, we are just counting our days and counting our money.
Hey, yesterday someone hugs you, no?
I'll beat you with slippers.
Hey, look at your slippers. Your slippers has been downed.
Shut up, you bloody.
What do you say, my darling?
I will
Hey,
kick
why are
you.
you getting
Be
angry, huh?
careful.
Hey, she's not a girl, yeah. She's a vampire.
Correct, dude. You know, guys, to be tease these girls in the morning, it's so special and cold.
If she beat with the slippers, you'll be feel blessed, yeah. I know your policy. Even then, you'll be so happy, right?
Correct, dude. Hey, look at that. Your lover is coming.
Hello, Chandru. You are so dashing, Chandru.
Yeah.
But same old brother, same old bike. Even the dress is also old, yaar. But only the figure is super fresh. Super, yaar.
It's superb.
I'll take care of them. You just leave, okay?
Dude, if she's spitting also, she's look like a cute dalda.
You will say all this, yeah. Okay, leave it. Just for a change today, we all are going to class today.
You're going to class, ah?
Why are you asking like that, man? You know who is coming to take the history class?
Who is that?
It's Gayatri teacher.
Gachini Mohammed had an eye on India at any cost. He wanted to conquer India. Regarding that, he was asking his chief how to conquer the India. Overnight, he took all his battalions and declared war over India. And that's how he started the war. He entered India with an expectation to conquer India. If you keep trying, you will definitely get a success. He started the war. His first attempt was the biggest flop. Then again he tried. Even on the second attempt, he lost. At the time also, he did not lose his hope. He again tried a war. He tried like this, and on the 17th time, he conquered India. Vicky, what did you learn from this? Tell me.
Ma'am, I've seen this back of this girl, ma'am.
Ma'am, you teared my top.
What is this?
What, ma'am?
What is that in your hand?
This is my kerchief, that's it.
Let me see it. Is this your kerchief?
For me, this is only kerchief, ma'am.
Get out from the class. Bring your father and meet the principal.
What do you want to say for your son's mistake?
What are you saying, sir? My boy is not like that at all. You're blaming him without any reason. He can never do such a thing.
You know what your son has done? Your son has teared the shirt of this girl.
Teacher, I know about my boy. Don't accuse him unnecessarily.
Please don't support your son, okay? What your son did was wrong.
Are you saying that I didn't bring him up well? My son is not like that, sir.
If our teacher is saying that your son has made a mistake, that means your son is guilty.
No, sir, what I'm trying
Listen, this is the last warning. If he repeats it again, I'll give him TC. You can take him now. You may also go, teacher.
Stupid.
Superstar Rajinikanth will announce the next movie at the earliest.
Don't stare at me like that.
Hey, dude, how is my lover?
She's just superb, yeah.
Hey, she's my lover.
Oh, come on, yeah. You're getting shy. That's why I said like that, okay?
Dude, I like her so much.
You said you like her. Every day you're putting hole on this paper and shaking this side and that side. When it comes to love, you have to take instant decision. Hey, see her? I think she will swallow you.
I know that, dude. My dad brought me strictly.
All daddies are same, man. No use.
Whenever I see a girl, I like to talk to her. When I get in front of, it's shivering da.
What is this here? You get shivering by seeing the girls, huh? Whenever I see a boy, I'm really getting shivering, you know.
Why, dude?
Look, dude. When I see a super figure,
Okay.
then I follow her regularly. I will get her whatever she wants. I'll slowly pick her up to my level. But on the way, other guy will come and take over her. Da. So that I don't even like my father's face. Yeah, I'm saying the truth. Really. See, just imagine she is coming here.
Okay.
You know what you should do? When she get near,
When she get near,
super.
super.
Hey, bloody fool. If I say super, she will fall in love with me, da.
Oh God.
You have to say that
Okay,
word.
okay, fine.
Huh. Hey, she's coming. Super.
Hey, who were you talking about?
No, yeah. He was talking about some film dialogue.
Uh-huh. Stupid.
About whom you said?
In the same film, the heroine will scold the hero like this only. That's what I said.
Oh, that's it. I thought she was firing me.
Dude, she's telling stupid. Will she loves me?
Hey, you're good for nothing, yaar. See, when a girl comes and tell you regularly, stupid, later on, the same girl will tell you, husband.
So she will tell definitely, right?
Hey, leave me.
Hey,
I'm
please,
getting
please,
bored.
please,
I'm
tell and
going.
go.
Leave me
Please,
alone.
please,
Go.
please, dude.
Hey, dude, your figure is coming, so don't wait till your love. Don't miss it, okay? I warn you.
Hey, I'm so afraid, yaar.
Hey, you fool. If you're scared, you should not love. If you love, you should not scare, okay? So go and tell you love.
Hey, dude, she gone to toilet.
Wow, that's great. To tell you love. This is the best place, yaar. Go and tell.
Dude, I'm so scared. What shall I
I said
do?
to go there.
It's a ladies' toilet.
Are you going to tell her or else I will go and tell her?
Okay, go now.
Okay, fine. Dude, I'm so scared.
I'll get this fellow. I will go and tell her. Leave it.
Cool
Hey.
down, dude.
I have sent this guy inside, yeah. I don't know what is going to happen.
Excuse me.
Hey, how dare you come into the ladies' toilet?
Sorry. Time, please.
Is this the place to ask the time?
I love you.
Oh no!
I think he's fired.
Shit!
What is this? Such a complaint has come behind you.
Sir, I was going through that way, sir.
You were going through that way.
That girl was standing there.
This girl was standing there.
I asked her time. That's
You
it.
asked for the time.
Yes, sir.
What's wrong in that?
No, sir. He said, I love you to my daughter.
Hey, were you there on the spot? If you say such things, I'll lose my
Listen,
temper.
calm down. Man, what is this?
Sir, I was going through that way, sir.
You were going through that way.
Girl was standing over there,
The
sir.
girl was standing over
I
there.
asked her time, sir. That's it.
You asked her, that's it.
Sir, he said, I love you to my daughter.
Oh, as he said or not, you've been repeating I love you for
Hey,
1,000 times now.
relax. Calm down. Hey, please tell me again.
Sir, I was going through that way, sir.
You were going through
Girl
that way.
was standing over there, sir.
She
Hey,
was
stop
standing
it.
there.
My daughter was not coming that way and you didn't say I love you. Enough?
Then why did he call us all?
Oh, you want to know? I'll tell you. Wait. It's all my fate. That's all. I made a mistake by putting my girl in this school. Come on, let's go.
If you had told me, I would have given my slipper to you.
What is this? I can't believe this man. He is saying your son went to the bathroom and told her that I love you. What do you think about this?
Sir, I am a fan of Santa Chinnappa Devar. I have seen Tyagaraja Bhagavatar's movies, T.R. Mahalingam movies. Have you watched?
Oh yeah, I have seen.
Where did they express their love? On river shores, on the beach shores. But never they said in the restroom.
Not at all.
Then how will my son express love?
Certainly he would not have told.
Ah.
His face itself is so good looking.
Ah.
What will he say? You can take
He
him.
is my son, sir. He will be always blessed by Muruga.
Oh,
Come,
very
Parni.
good. Thank God, it's all over by now.
Hey! Leave me! Leave me!
Please,
Leave me!
Leave her, man.
What is this? What's the problem?
Sir, when my girl was traveling in the bus, this bloody fat fellow kissed her.
Hey, did you kiss her?
No, sir. The bus was running so fastly.
Ah.
This girl was standing before me. On my both hands, there was heavy bag. Suddenly, the bus was stopped. I just sit down, sir.
No, sir. Only after the break he kissed my daughter.
You are saying it's a kiss, he is saying hit. It's a kiss or hit. Tell me.
I'll tell you, sir. I'll tell you clearly. When the bus was running so fastly, this girl was standing before me. On my both hands, there was heavy bag, sir. Suddenly, the bus was stopped. I just hit down, sir.
No, sir. After breaking, he kissed my daughter.
Again, he is telling clearly you kissed her.
No, sir.
Tell me the truth.
Okay, I'll tell you the truth again, sir. The bus is running so fast.
Enough. Bus didn't go fast. There was no sudden braking. You didn't fall on her. You didn't kiss her. Enough. Get lost. I should have never come here. I'm a fool. I have wasted my time. Totally useless. Come, dear.
That fellow is blaming me, madam.
Just leave him, sir. My son is not such a boy, sir. He is very innocent. He is unnecessarily blaming my son. Come on, my dear.
My son is a very nice boy.
The boy is not guilty. The girl is not bad also. What else do you expect from them?
I am not expecting anything. Leave the place now.
Okay,
Go.
that's
come,
all.
I have work.
That's all.
Did see you, dude. My girl is standing over there. I have tried so many times propose her, but nothing worked out. Now you give this letter to her. If she read it, that's all. She will surprise.
I don't know whether she will surprised or not, but definitely I'll get a slap.
Dude, we have this muscular body to get beaten by the
Uh-huh.
girls only. Just go.
You'll tell that, yeah, because I'm gonna get the beatings, nah.
Hey, I said go.
I'm talking to myself. Why are you doing this kind of job? Is this necessary for you? He's always spending money for me, right? So I should do this. Go. Excuse me, madam. My friend asked me to give this letter to you. Just read it, ma'am.
You
Mommy!
Leave it, dude. Take it easy. Leave it.
Hey, what's the problem? What happened?
Sir, Vicky has sent a love letter to me, sir.
He gave you a love letter? Good, it's in English.
Oh God.
Hey, Vicky, come here.
Hey, he's calling you.
Sir.
Why did you give this girl a love letter?
Sir, this is not a love letter, sir.
Then what is this?
She asked me which movie you have seen recently. That's what I written it.
Movie? My dear, from the day I saw you, I'm thinking about you. I'm dreaming about you all the time. I'm in love with you. I really want you, and I want to be yours. Hey, you look so beautiful. My sweetheart, with love, voice. Hey, all these are movie names?
Yes, sir. There is a new movie named Love Diary. He forgot to write that, sir.
Dear, are these movie names?
Yes, sir.
You said it's a love letter.
No, sir. I got a bit confused.
You got confused and confused me too. Hey, are they naming movies like this?
Yeah, sir. Recently, one movie released like this. Dude, show it, dude.
Hey, girl, you're looking so damn cute.
Hey, stop it.
Cute.
What are you doing? This is all too much minded. Hey, show your dancing talents in the coming cultural show. I don't want to get insulted anymore. I'll take the next bus. See you in
Sir,
school.
later, please.
Here.
Hey, you are putting to the master, huh? We are not scared anything, okay? Come on, dude.
Just stop it, okay?
Who is that?
Don't play with me, okay?
Dude, my lover is cursing us. The entire area is fire.
Let it fire, yaar. We can put down the fire.
1 minute, darling. Darling,
Yeah, what do you want? Tell me.
tomorrow our Vicky school has
Ah.
Parents' Day function. And
Okay.
they are conducting dance show also.
Ah.
Actually, he wants us to be there. Shall we go, darling?
What? Are you out of your mind? I'm working in a private company. Do you know the kind of pressure I'm going through every day? If I don't go to the office, I'm finished. That's all. I want you to go, but then you won't go without me. What can I do? You are like that. What shall we do? For the next Parents' Day, me and your mom will come and dance for a duet song together.
Oof.
Are you happy?
It's better not come over there.
Okay. Take care. Bye.
Mhm. My father is so busy, dude. He's not coming Parents' Day function.
Dude, my father is out of station.
You know something? My father is so lazy. If I say Parents' Day function, he will ask, what is that? Why is that? He'll make me mad before completing my explanation. Parents' Day function will be over. That's why I didn't inform my father here. Hey, see there! Our girls are coming.
Hey, dude, going for swimming.
They are looking gorgeous, right?
Shall we go and surrender to them?
Hey, that's so bad, yeah.
What's so bad, yeah? Many politicians are surrendered themselves too. Get something done, yeah.
So, shall we surrender to them?
Definitely we should get surrendered to them.
Hey, Pooja, come
hey,
here.
Puni!
Come here.
Hello, what do you want?
Unless we fall down their feet, we can't get their attention. So we'll start the action.
See, we have done so many mistakes. Please forgive us.
For the upcoming Parents' Day function, we have to do programs together.
So you girls, please
Forgive us!
Hey, guys,
just get up, okay?
Get up. It's
Okay,
okay,
okay.
Get up. We
That's
have
enough.
forgiven you.
Forgiven, okay?
Okay. We will celebrate the Parents' Day in a good way, okay? Is it fine with you?
Okay.
Hey dude, most of them saying smoking is injurious to health. Give me. Let me check out that. Wait dude, this thing is really injurious to
Hey,
health.
he is good for nothing, da. He don't know to do anything completely. Just give it to me. Hey, that message was absolutely right, yaar. It's really very bad to health. You
Hey,
just keep
small
it, I don't
boys,
want it.
I'll show you to how to use this, how to play with this. Wait and watch.
Hey, in circus they show technique. Even in cinemas they will show techniques.
Yes.
How can he show techniques in smoking?
Let us see.
What is this? Smoke in the terrace? Oh my Murugan!
Oh my god, my dad. Hide that. Let me start reading.
Let's take it.
Huh? What are you guys doing?
Veil Muruga.
Vetrivel Muruga.
Veil Muruga.
Vetrivel Muruga.
Veil Muruga.
Vetrivel Muruga.
Oh wow! You guys are praying before you're studying. If you pray, definitely you can study. I knew my sons are very good. Muruga,
You call me father?
study well. You will study well.
Yeah, okay, dad.
Okay.
Why your father is like this?
Hey, my father is like that dude.
Hey, dude. Don't your father have a little bit sense? How your mother leading this family with this person?
What to do?
His mother should get an award for this.
Most of the dads are like this.
Comparing to this, my mother should get Oscar award. My father is such a torturing person. Come, let's go.
Hello girls, if you put it in the right way, it will fall into the basket.
If you didn't push in the proper way, it will fall down.
Then we are not responsible.
Play sincerely.
Super short, girls. Short means like this only.
This is what we expected.
Wow.
Oh my god, what a lovely throw, what a lovely jump. I can't take the eyes out of them.
Oh my
They are lovely.
Hey,
Teacher,
what are you guys doing here? All the other boys are playing cricket. Why are you standing here and watching the girls?
What? Cricket? I don't like that game. What, teacher? One boy has a small ball, another boy has a small bat. They keep hitting.
I was catching that ball.
Is that a game? Should we go and watch it? Look at this game, sir. Beautiful, sweet game. Very, very interesting. See it.
Huh?
What, teacher? Why are you staring at me?
Hey, is it not enough that you got spoiled? You're spoiling these boys too?
These guys. They are not only spoiled, Swami, they are naughty, nasty guys.
Are you going to beat us?
Hey,
Dude.
Hey, watch
Don't
the
miss
game,
the game.
yeah. That girl is playing very nicely.
Hey, how about my girl?
Hi, girls. You should jump a little more. Only then we can see.
Hey, girls. Hey, come on.
You did exactly what I asked for.
higher.
Yes. This is exactly what I wanted.
Show us what you can do.
Keep doing the same. Come
Hello
here.
guys, what are you doing into our school campus? Are you going to go out or not? Hey, leave my hands. Listen to what I say. Guys, come here and see
Some
what's happening.
street side Romeos are disturbing our girls here. We should do something. Come on, let's go and save them.
Guys, come on. Leave my hand.
This is
Leave my
what
hand,
we
okay?
are expecting. Friends, just do whatever you want. We won't disturb you and we won't interfere.
This is the matinee show for us.
Hey, leave my hand.
Why are you doing like this? Hey, they are our school girls. Come, Vicky.
Dude, they are look like a third-rate gangster group, okay? We are just a school student. So shut your mouth and stay here.
Hey, I am a lion. Are you telling this to me? Take the hand.
Dude, definitely you will get beaten.
Hey, stop it. Don't stop this lion. Hey! Come and touch me. Touch me here. Or touch here. Why are you touching them, dog? Come here. If you're a daredevil, come and touch me, boys. Come on. See this. Look at this. See my steel body. This is like anaconda. My strength. Come on. Ugh. Come on. Touch me. Hey, why are you staring there, man? The lion is standing here. Look at me. Hey, if you're street rowdies or street Romeos, we'll be scared, huh? You will have seen several beatings, but the way of my beating is much different. Vicky, I called you now, but you didn't come here. Now I'm the school hero. Hereafter, all the girls will come and fall in love with me, da. So many times you have been with me, but what is the use of being with me? You're all lazy and lousy people, yaar. Huh? Where is that yellow shirt guy? Call him. Where is he? Hey, yellow shirt guy. Hey, Jimbo, did you see that yellow shirt guy? Where is that guy? I want him. Call that guy. Yellow shirt guy, where are you? Come on, come friend of me. I want you. I will fight with you. Hey, where is that boy? Where is that yellow shirt guy?
My dear students, today I'm going to...
Teacher.
Huh?
Hey, good morning, teacher. I was searching for you at home. You are here? You are not there. I was about to leave when your wife came and said, brother, please have some coffee and go. But you know my liver is spoiled because of alcohol. The doctors have told me no coffee or tea. So I said, okay, sister, give me boost. The boost was very hot and nice. Teacher, you have become so lousy nowadays. Now, I'm not telling you. Your wife told me this. I guess you have forgotten your cell phone. Keep it. She told me a lot of other things about you which I cannot tell here because all the people will laugh. Oh, why should I bother? Should I go in or out? In, out, in, out, in.
Please go and sit.
Why are you so tense, master? Hey, look at our master. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you, da? Hey, I'm back in the class.
My dear students, I want to know how much you have understood from the lessons that I taught you all yesterday. I'm going to ask you some questions. There is a saying that when the mother dives 8 feet, the young one dives 16 feet. Can anyone give an example?
I'll tell, sir.
Come on, go ahead.
If his father drink 1/4, he will be flat. But even if his son takes off, he will be steady.
Good girl, good.
Sit down. I'm not going to ask you any more questions. If you have any doubts in the lesson I'm teaching, please go ahead and ask me.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hey, Lakshmi Buddy, you have a doubt? Come on, ask me.
Will Puliraja get AIDS, sir?
Huh? If Pulirani gets AIDS, he'll also get it. Sit down.
This guy told me to ask you, sir.
No more questions to you. I'm going to start the lesson. Please understand if you can. The rest, don't disturb the class.
Hello? Is that my cousin? I am in the classroom. Tamil teacher, he is blabbering. What about the cotton seed and oil cake? Send it fast. My cows are starving here.
This guy will never change. Go to hell.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah, I can hear you. How are you? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah. Yes, told me. Correct. Then, yeah, it's a very good class. What about you? Right.
I'll put the tickets for evening show.
Stop it, guys.
Definitely
What's
come.
happening?
Don't worry.
Don't you have any respect? You guys are crossing the limits. You get angry if I scold you. You complain if I beat you. One thing is for sure. You guys are going to regret someday. I don't know who invented cell phones. Now everyone is having one and keeps talking all the time. I have to find the guy who invented this and... Hello?
It's me only. You just socked the clothes and went, and the dish is also left over. The vegetables also there. Did I ever told you to do not do all this works? Just come home. I'll show you.
Well, even if I find the guy who invented this, I can't do anything.
You set up one girl near your home, right? What happened?
She's packed on my face, da.
The same thing is happened our school life also, da.
Even no one is getting attracting towards us.
Hey, I'm also trying to catch a fish with bite, but not even a single girl got attracted, da.
What?
Okay, come on, let's go.
Okay.
My God, see, dude. I think something is happening over there.
Dude, we will escape.
Yes,
Hey.
Cap!
Wait. Hey, come here.
Why they are calling us?
How do I know? Today they are looking very different.
Dude, don't get scared. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, come on. Why did you call us?
Hey, do you want our friendship?
We need your love only.
See, there is no difference between love and friendship. We also like to have fun.
But for that, telling love in the toilets, kissing in the bus, and in school, cutting the jacket. Don't you feel this is wrong? Tell me, guys.
We have done all that for just an entertainment.
Just want to have fun, right?
Okay, from today we are good friends and good lovers, okay?
Okay.
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 Double okay. Then where should we book the room tomorrow? Shit. Where shall we meet?
We can meet anywhere.
From morning itself, you both are given a company to us. Thanks so much.
We had a nice time with you guys.
You had a time pass because of us, that's
Okay, we'll meet tomorrow at
Hey,
school.
just a second. I want to tell you one important thing. Shall we go there and talk, please?
Why you want to go and talk there?
I can't tell you right here. If you both come over there, I'll tell you.
If he says something, there will be a matter.
Hey dude, morning you said something, no? It's very important matter. Go.
Yeah,
I'll tell you.
please,
Go,
come over
go.
there.
Please go.
Hey, please.
Are you mad or what? Don't you know how to behave with a girl?
You're not eligible to be friends and lovers. Stupid. See what
really
and all they're
shame on
doing,
them.
huh?
Shit.
Brother, you behave so cheap, da.
What about you then,
Mummy.
bloody scoundrel?
It's okay. Everything comes to
We
normal.
don't want your friendship anymore.
Stupid fellows.
No,
If I give you a
leave
punch,
that.
you know what will
That's
happen?
over, na. Leave me alone. Go, girl. Go.
Don't tell it in school, okay?
Hey, don't tell to English teacher. He'll talk about this 3 days. Hey, dude. We played just for fun, right? She slapped me, yaar.
As usual, man. Don't take it serious, okay? Come.
I don't feel pain when girls. Hey, dude. What a figure she is.
She's not turning this side, dude.
Yes, dude.
Dude, shall we give signal to her?
What signal we have to do? Dude, this is the best signal, I think.
Yes.
Hi.
Good morning, dude.
Good morning, man.
Hey, dude. Somebody is selling that Max teacher. And science teacher has got connection. Is that right?
Stop it, man. Even in the morning time also, you won't say a single good word.
These all good words, yaar.
Dude, she's superb, dude.
She's so sexy, da.
I feel so excited, yaar. Super figure, yaar.
Hey guys, you don't worry. If I take money and promise to do something, I will never take rest before finishing it. I have arranged for 3 girls. Just by looking at them, your friends are going to get so jealous.
Okay, how much will cost?
Each 300, so for 3 it's 900.
Give him, dude.
Come on, let me have it, huh?
Keep this with you. They will come on time now.
Uncle will take care of everything, dad.
Yeah.
This boy has exactly understood my talent. Right when the clock strikes 9, the girls I'm sending will come and stand next to you, okay?
It's not just coming. Will they hug us frequently?
Well, don't you worry. Even if you try to push them away, they will chase you around and give you a hug.
Then, dude, surely tomorrow we're gonna tease our girls, right?
Okay, dude.
Where's our girls, dude?
Dude, Forget our girls, Ra. What about brokers' girls?
It's already 9, dude.
Vicky, see there. 9 o'clock girls are coming. Hello, 9 o'clock parties.
Hey boys, come and help them, no please.
Please leave me.
You said you wanted to have fun, no? Now see what happened.
We didn't come. You'll be out of this place. Just come.
You should suffer like this only.
Dude, we planned to tease them, but they teased us.
That idiot broker cheated us, Da.
Bye.
Hey, that old guy went. Come on.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hello? Auntie? Auntie?
Hello guys, what's the news?
Madam, Sad is not in home, right?
Now only he went out.
Oh God, we are too late.
Why?
We just want to introduce, that's all.
Okay, we make a move, ma'am.
Mm.
Oh, ma'am.
Hmm?
I have one small doubt.
What?
Sad at home, no. That's your dad, right? He is the one told me to ask this.
He only, ma'am.
Hey, you bloody!
He is only my husband.
Vicky? Huh? Hey, where is our friend, yeah?
Hey, look at that, dude.
He's here, huh? Dude, huh? What happened, yeah? Are you upset because of auntie beaten you?
Stop it, man. Don't talk rubbish, okay? Girls beating us, spitting on us. It's all happiest moment in life.
Yes.
So I won't feel for that.
That's what I'm thinking. You won't feel for such things, no?
Then why are you feeling so?
Dude, she said that man is husband, right? That is our plus point.
How, dude? How?
Old husband,
Uh-huh.
youthful wife.
Uh-huh.
That's our best choice. Surely she will like us. Wait and watch.
How can you say that much stronger?
Her age is like that, man.
Hey, dude. I know you do anything to get something. Hey,
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
forget us now, okay?
Come on, let's
Let's go.
enjoy. Come on.
Cut here. Yeah, cut there. Cut it up also.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. What guys? Are you angry that I slapped you yesterday?
No, we won't feel for that, ma'am.
Your hand touched our cheeks, no? Thanks for it, madam.
Oh.
Ma'am, there is a old saying, the same hand that beats you will hug you later.
We are on the way to school. Market is nearby only. If you want a fruits or vegetable means, we will get you.
Even fish also there.
Ma'am, in the market, there are lots of chicken. Do you want that, ma'am?
I don't want that and all. To fix a photo, I need to hit a nail. I thought I'll ask you guys for the help. But you guys have to go to school, right?
That's okay, ma'am. We will manage it.
Hey, you don't want to go to school, is
We
it?
will go school later.
Yeah, ma'am. Even from my grandfather's time, the school is in the same place. That's not important to us. We have to nail and fix up the photo. That is important. Hey, put on the back stuff. We have to fix the photos. Come on, ma'am. We have to
ma'am,
fix
come
the
on,
photos.
come on,
Go
ma'am.
fast.
Hey, take the hammer and the nail, no? Who's going to climb up and hit the
I
nail?
will do that, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, I will do it, ma'am.
Hey, if you climb the ladder will not bear your weight. Vicky, you do it, no?
Dude, come and help me.
We will follow your orders, dude. I will hold on, but be careful, okay?
What, yaar? See there and hit the nail. See the nail and nail it.
Oh my god, my finger!
Okay, get down. You prove that you don't know anything.
So much
Can't you be
paining,
careful
ma'am.
in that
I
work?
can't
Hey,
tolerate
take the
this.
cloth and give.
Oh my god, I can't tolerate this pain, ma'am. Please help me something.
Hey, wait.
Please, careful, ma'am. I can't tolerate
Just
this pain,
bear
ma'am.
it for some time, okay?
Oh my god. Oh, it's paining too heavy, ma'am. Oh, careful.
Ma'am, Shall I fix the nail, ma'am?
No, there is no pain, ma'am.
Madam, I will fix the nail,
You
madam.
all are small guys. I will do the work. You just hold the ladder, that's enough. Hold it properly, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hey, the nail is not going inside the wall, Ra.
Madam, don't get down immediately. No matter how long it takes, we'll wait for you. You continuously hit the nail, ma'am. Hey, tell you.
Yeah, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Hey, that's what I'm telling. It's not going inside, no? We'll do it in another place. Hold the ladder properly.
Dude, shake the ladder.
Hey, what are you guys doing? Don't shake the ladder. Hey, be careful.
Madam. Madam.
What? What do you want?
We want to see madam.
Unless you can't say the reason, you can't meet her in person. You should say the reason. If you can tell me the reason.
Why you can't wear a proper clothes? What is this?
Madam likes me to see me in this costume.
Oh.
That's why I'm like this.
Hey, dude, we have come so far. Without seeing madam, how can we go back to home?
We have come so far and didn't say madam means at any cost. After saying madam only, we are living from this place, okay? What you guys thinking about it? It's a nice idea, right? Come on, tell me, what about you?
Whatever else, we want to see her.
Even the maid said she is not here. Let us search for her. Maybe she will be here, no? After that, we will leave from here.
That's right.
Yeah.
Give me high five.
Okay, done. Hey!
Let's go to sleep.
After some time, sweetie.
What you said? After some time, huh?
Yes, sweetheart. I have to check some files.
Why don't you check all these files in the office itself? Huh?
I'm trying, baby, but I couldn't. Tonight she's looking very hot. Oh my god. She's making me even more mad. Hereafter I can't control myself. Has she gone inside?
Darling, will you please come over here?
Yeah, coming, baby. What happened, baby?
I don't know what it is, but my leg is paining over here.
Paining?
Please, come and give me a massage, no?
Is it over here?
It's over here. Over here.
Yeah, tell me.
What happened?
That's regarding business, baby. There is a small problem in the dealing. Nothing else.
If you're feeling disturbed, just relax.
How can I, baby?
It's okay.
Excuse me, give me something hot or cold.
It should be very fresh and hot, okay?
We offer only fresh and hot, sir. I'll get you everything fresh and hot, sir.
Get it fast, man.
We are starving like anything.
Yeah.
Go.
What is this guy?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I
that's
don't
true.
think they'll do that. Maybe.
Just give your order.
Just get lost
I'll
from here.
get you fresh and
idiot.
hot. Sit down, dear. Now you tell me what you want. I'll get you fresh and hot.
Okay, bring 3 plate dosa.
Okay, I'll get you that immediately. You asked for idlis. It is hot and also fresh. Your favorite appam.
I'm really felt bad. Shall we go and talk with them? They helped us so much, right?
Yeah, let's go and say sorry.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
I'm really sorry.
Oh, you're very rich people, right?
Just tell that you forgave us.
Just tell us, forgive me.
Hey, what?
Come on, dude.
Hmm.
Let's change the location.
Come on, let's be friends again.
We don't need your friendship again. Leave us.
You have done something wrong. Then why are you so adamant about it? We're asking sorry to you, no? Can't you forgive us?
Tell them, dude.
Hey, this girl doesn't know our value, yaar. Then what is the use?
Very well said,
Thank
man.
you. Thank you, dude. Beautiful and super girls. How many of them followed us so many times? But even then, we didn't respond to them, right?
Yeah, that was I'm saying.
Yes, I'm always right.
You bloody
Hey, if you're free, we'll call you back. Get lost, you stupids.
idiots. You have to take medicines on the right time. This is for the night and this is for the day. Okay, don't forget it.
Yeah, sure, baby.
This one is in the afternoon, but you have to take it with this medicine. This medicine is before food. Don't forget to take it, okay?
Okay, done.
I think this old man got so many diseases, dude.
Yeah. I think this man cannot do anything here.
Mm.
Why are you so sad? I'm just going for 2 days. I'll be back within 2 days, baby.
Even then, I won't be able to see you for 2 days, no? Please take care of him. Try to give the medicines on the right time. Please don't forget, okay?
Sure, that's my duty. Sir, it's already late.
Shall we leave now? Bye, baby. Bye.
He won't be here for 2 days.
Mm.
Mwah! Darling! Ah.
We wanna see ma'am.
Without having appointment, you can't meet her.
Oh.
Okay. You go and see her. She's free now.
Yes! You are so kind, sister. See you later.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Ma'am, when you are swimming, I just can't believe it. I also want to swim in the water, ma'am. Just like you, ma'am. Come on, ma'am. Let's swim.
Hey, leave it. Just be there. What's the matter? All of you have come together? Is there anything special?
Actually, we are going to our friend's home.
On the way, we come to see you, ma'am.
Hey, you. How dare you try to lie to me? You came to see me, correct? Isn't that true? And you guys were so excited to see me. Am I right? Tell me the truth. You guys were excited to see me, no?
Yes, ma'am.
See? I found out. Now tell me, why did you come to see me?
Ma'am, we just came to see you, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow is my birthday. My husband will not be there. All three of you come for my birthday. We all will celebrate together.
Ma'am, we would like to celebrate your birthday like a festival, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, we will enjoy.
Ma'am, you have to come with me to swim in the swimming pool. Is that okay for you?
Yeah, definitely. All of you should come for my birthday party. Okay? Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, you've bought sari and all?
No, ma'am. We have seen you in jeans, even in skirt, and of course, shorts also. But
We haven't never seen you in sari, ma'am.
Everything is okay, but I don't know how to tie a sari.
Madam, he knows well.
Hey, how do you know to tie a sari?
In my neighbor's house, husband used to tie the sari to his wife.
Oh,
I always see that, ma'am.
Hey, you guys are very naughty. Okay, on my birthday, sing a song for me.
we don't know how to sing a song, ma'am.
Hey, it's okay, sing a song, no.
First you start, madam, then we will sing. What, youth?
Yes, ma'am. You first start singing, madam.
Okay. How is it, guys?
It
It's
was
very
so
nice,
nice,
ma'am.
Now, how is it?
Now
It's
it's terrific.
Now, how is it, guys?
Feeling so hot, ma'am.
Ma'am, don't leave your grip, ma'am. We are feeling so thrilled, ma'am.
Can you do one thing for me?
For you, we will sacrifice our life also, ma'am.
You don't have to sacrifice your life. You have to kill a man. What, guys? Are you all scared?
Ma'am, whom should we kill, ma'am?
My husband.
What?
To kill your husband? Oh my god!
What, guys? You all are thinking?
No, ma'am. The government has ordered not even to kill a goat, ma'am. But you're telling us to kill a man? Is it right, ma'am?
You want me or you don't want me?
I want you, ma'am.
What is your opinion?
Okay, madam.
Vicky, what about you?
For me, double okay, ma'am. Ma'am, if you murdered your husband means what we will get, ma'am?
I will give myself to you.
Then definitely we will murder him, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.
Who is the producer? Who is the director? Who is the artist?
I am director Shankar.
Sir, Shankar sir, I have seen all of your movies, sir. Your latest release, Boys also, sir. I saw it with my family. I saw it for 10 times, sir. Audience cried a lot. How did you plan a family subject like this, sir?
Boss, sit down, relax.
Just sit down.
Excitement.
Sit
down.
Boss, sit
Yeah,
down.
okay,
Come on.
okay.
Boss, you mistaken me.
Uh.
I tried to become an assistant director for Shankar. I didn't get a chance. But for this movie, I'm a director.
Look at this bloody boy, ugly face. You know how handsome is Shankar? He came for the hero chance, man. But his good time, he became a director. Do you have any right to talk about him?
Okay, boss. Okay, just leave it. Don't get angry.
What small boy
blabbered
blabbering
something.
and all that?
Okay, just leave that.
How can you talk about director Shankar?
Okay, we accept it. You know who I am?
Huh?
Director Maniratnam, sir.
Maniratnam sir, how is your wife Suhasini sir? You are great sir. You have come to my shed. Hey Chandru, come here. Hey, you know director Maniratnam? The Roja movie award winner. He has come to our shed. Get some cool drinks, Horlicks, Bonvita, something. Get all go.
Hello, boss. Please listen to me. Just relax and sit down.
Sir, I am very
Please
excited, sir.
sit
Your
down.
autograph,
Just
sir. Please,
relax.
sir.
We can sit and chat.
Okay,
Just sit
sir,
down.
okay.
Sit down. Please relax and just listen to us, boss.
Are you going to tell us a story?
Now I will tell you everything in detail, boss. I have seen Maniratnam's Roja movie several times and I have made a decision. I have decided to make a movie with him. That's my long-term dream. So that's why I really struggled to get a call sheet from him. But nothing worked out. After that, Actually, I was selling Bonda side of the street. Now I have become a producer and he is the director of my movie.
If Bonda Seller becomes a producer, all the street beggars only will watch the movie. Huh? Sir? Who are you, sir?
I'm the hero. I went so many companies in search of chances.
But no one would have given you any chance. Put the phone down. You have made a Bonda man as a producer. This Budgie man as a director. Hey! What do you all want, man?
Sir, you must seen in the Jackie Chan movie. We
Ah.
needed that kind of a flying car.
How do you want?
That's what, sir. Flying car.
Now I'll show you how the car flies.
Oh, don't get tensed, boss.
Hey, you are making movie by begging for money. Do these movies run?
Hey,
Uh-huh.
will you get me a car?
Hey, my car will not run. It will fly, man.
Dude, the old man is going through the road. Today we have to close the chapter.
Yeah, come on.
Hey, dude, we ask you to drive the car, not to ride a cycle.
Dude, go fast.
No, see, dude.
Ah, that's it.
Sir, I think somebody is following us.
Why should they follow us? Let them follow. Leave them. Dude.
Hey, Derek! Hey! Hey, turn the vehicle!
Come
Go
on.
fast! Go fast! Go fast! Dude, what are you doing? Go fast! Hey, I asked you to close this chapter, not mine! Hey, go fast, dude! Oh god, someone has blocked the way, dude!
Oh my god, it's going backward. I won't put reverse gear.
I don't
also.
understand.
Dude, what happened to this car?
No.
Call that garage owner.
Hello,
Hello?
I'm shooting party speaking.
I am car owner Kanagaraj speaking.
Hey, vehicle is going back.
Huh? Just press the brake, the car will go forward.
Hey, dude, press the brake. It will go front. Hey, press the brake. Hey, dude, press the brake.
Go, man,
go fast.
Go!
Hey, your vehicle is running the same place, yaar.
Have you seen the movie Fast and Furious? This car acted in that movie.
Hey, this is not that car.
That car is this car and I am the owner of this car, man.
Why are you confusing, man?
I am not confusing. Just pay the driver beta and diesel amount and also the rent of the car. If you don't pay, I will kill you all with the same car. I generally won't say anything. I will do it.
This vehicle running here and there only, dude. Seriously, this is the worst car, man.
Hey, I already told this now. We can't do this. See how we got stuck up here. Hey, please stop this bloody Hilda. I want to live a long life. Hey, please stop, dude. Please stop. Hey, Vicky, you never accepted my suggestions, right? Please listen to my words here. We doesn't have the age to kill someone, dude. Hey, we are just school boys, dude. It's just necessary for us. Just think for a while, man. Straight away, we can go to that woman. We'll tell that we cannot do this murder. And tell that please leave us alone. You know what? If something happens tomorrow, we will get stuck up, da Vicky.
See, whatever you tells is all right. But our plan and hard work all are wasted now. I just can't bear it, dude.
Hey, dude. To do something good, we got fail means we can be worried. For a bad thing we tried and worried means you better be happy, dude. Hey, why are you not telling anything? Get up, let's go. Get up, let's go. I couldn't get up yet. Please help me. I think no good man can live in this earth peacefully, da.
Hey, there is too much crowd.
Come on, let's go
Yeah,
and
let's
see.
go.
How this happened?
A rich man is lying dead. I don't know where he belongs to.
Someone must have beaten him to death.
Well, I think we have to inform the police about this.
Yes, Pandya. What he says is right. Let's inform the police.
Yes, that's right. That's what we should do.
Dude, if we say we have done this and then ma'am is ours.
Okay, Jude.
Hello? Hello? Who's speaking?
Ma'am, I'm Vicky speaking, ma'am.
What happened?
We are all three of us. We murdered your husband, ma'am.
No!
Why she is screaming no?
Hey, dude. First women say no, then they will accept for everything.
Then everything is okay, right?
Yes, of course.
Hey, stop it, guys. They will dance like this for other people's death, yaar. But we are dancing for ourselves.
Hey, fat boy. If you want something, you want to lose something,
Oh
man.
my god, not again. Again, he's using the old saying for bad reasons, huh? I don't know what will happen.
We are very sorry, madam. Your husband has been murdered. We came here to inquire about that. Do you suspect anyone, madam?
Yes, sir. Opposite our house is a flat. There are 3 guys living over there. They just now called me and said that they killed my husband.
Where is their house, madam?
Opposite flat.
Why don't you give me something? You always take care of your son.
Hey, are
Sir,
you Vicky?
Sir,
Get up.
what's happening? Sir, what's happening, sir?
Sir, your son has done a murder.
Murder? No, my son is not like that,
We have
sir.
all the
I think
evidence.
you have totally
Meet us in the court,
misunderstood.
okay?
Sir,
Take him
go.
away.
Let's go. Sir, listen to me. Sir.
Oh my god.
Sir, please. My son is not such a boy, sir.
Please believe me, sir. He's a good boy, sir.
How can you say your son is so innocent? It's all rubbish. All of them together has murdered a man. Do you know that?
Oh, no. He cannot kill anybody, sir.
Yeah, they can't do such a thing,
Tell
sir.
all your views in the court. Look for a good lawyer. Don't trouble me now.
Sir,
Please
sir,
leave.
sir,
sir,
Come on,
sir, please,
principal.
sir,
Clear them away.
Sir,
Clear them.
please, please help
Just
us.
keep going.
Parameshwaram, I don't think they will accept the truth. Torture them and make them speak.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Since it's a murder case, I won't allow anybody to see them. As you are the schoolmaster, I'll give you special permission to meet them. Don't take too much time, sir.
Thanks a lot, officer.
It's okay.
Hey, guys. I just came back from Sabrimala. As soon as I came here, I heard that you guys have been arrested by the police. You know what? Looking at all the pranks that you played, I thought you guys will never come up in life. But committing a murder? I never expected that.
Sir, do you believe that we have someone murdered, sir?
Hey, when a child is crying, the mother can understand whether it's sick or hungry. She can realize it. The same way, looking at the faces of every student, a teacher can understand what he is capable of. I very well know. You wouldn't have committed the murder. I totally believe in you.
Sir, will you do me a favor for us, sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Always you ask us to be a good students. By the time we were so naughty. But now seriously we want a good student, sir. Will you please beat us, sir? Beat me, sir. Beat me. Beat me, sir. Beat me. Beat me, sir. Beat me. Beat me, sir.
Guys, please don't cry. I'm sure you guys wouldn't have committed a murder. Lord Ayyappa, whom I worship, also knows that you're innocent. Don't you worry, he'll take care of you. He'll prove your innocence. And I'm sure you will come out of this trouble. I truly believe in that. May God be with you.
Which one of you is the killer? Just tell me that right now, or else I'll keep hitting you.
Seriously, we don't know, sir.
You just wanna lie, is it?
Seriously, we didn't anything, sir.
I'll make you tell. Just say that. Say it right now. Tell me who killed.
Nandini ma'am only told us to kill her
But
husband.
you guys only killed him,
No,
right?
sir, we don't do anything.
Who else did it? Yeah, tell me. Tell me right now. Don't lie again. Yes, tell me the
Did
truth.
these boys accept the truth or not?
Sir, I have tortured them a lot. Still, they are not telling me the truth, sir.
If you do like this, they won't tell anything. Insert needle in all their fingers, then they will automatically speak.
All right, sir.
Dude, they are gonna use third-degree torture. We can't bear it. It will be painful. Shall we say we murdered that man?
Okay, dude. We will accept that.
Constable, get a statement from them as if they have accepted the murder.
Okay, sir.
1 minute, sir. I'm the reason for my husband's death.
What? Did you murder your husband?
I don't want to hide the truth anymore.
What are you saying, madam?
Myself and Vasu loved each other.
Nandini, if we live together, we should live as a rich people. What do you say?
Yes, or else we should not live at all.
Then we should die.
At that time only, Devaraj put an advertisement.
Need a bride. Name Devraj, age 55, height 5.8, and color black. He is a business tycoon and he needs a really good bride to become his wife and love him forever. Faithfully, his friends. So that means this old man wants to get married. Nandini, to our plans, he is the best man. You know what you should do? You should get married to him and then we should get all his assets. You know how we are gonna get it. I am gonna join as a driver there. And to get all his assets in our name, we will just kill him off. What do you say?
Vasu, if you ask me, I am okay for this plan. I had this plan and then only I married Devraj. At that time only, these 3 guys became my friends. We made use of these 3 guys and with their help, I killed my husband. One day, Devraj touched my heart with his action.
Hi, Nandini. Take it.
What is this?
All the properties are yours.
Mine?
Yes. Nandini, you know me pretty well, I think. I have lots of businesses. I have wasted half of my life in that. And then I have lived for my brothers and sisters for some time. Time went so quickly. Now I am 50 years old. Then I thought I should never get married. My friends only compelled me. You can be physically challenged but can never be alone. That touched me hard. Without asking me, they gave a newspaper ad. Do you know one thing? No woman has the mixture of beauty and character together. If there is beauty, characterless. If there is character, beautyless. But you have the mixture of beauty and character. God has given you to me. You are special.
What are you trying to say? I'm not able to understand.
Nandini, as a husband, I cannot fulfill all your expectation and desires. That's why I have decided to hand over all my belongings to you.
Now what's the urgent for this?
Nandini, death can come at any time. It can come today, tomorrow. There is a old saying about death. When you are alive, death won't come near you. But once death comes to you, you won't be alive. That's why I have given all my properties to you when I am alive. Even after my death, as my wife, you shouldn't struggle for anything and for any reason. Not only when I am alive, even after my death, you should live happily in this world. That is my last wish, Nandini.
You haven't kept anything for yourself. You've given everything to me.
Darling, you are mine and I'm yours. Where is the difference between us? Baby, why are you crying? Did I say something wrong? Then smile. Smile, baby. Come on, smile. Are you going to smile or not? Don't worry, darling. Everything will be okay.
After that, I quit the idea of killing Devraj and I started to love him. I wanted to save Devraj and start living with him. I immediately called Vasu.
Yes, Nandini, tell me.
Vasu, I think we should not kill Devraj.
Hey, what happened to you?
Devraj is a very good person. He is innocent.
What are you blabbering?
Please don't kill him. Just listen to me.
Hey, what do you think? You think you can have all the assets for yourself?
Listen to what I say, Vasu. All his money, jewels, status, everything is given it to me. Then why should we kill him when he's given everything to me? Just understand it, no? Then why should we kill him?
Listen, Nandini, I want both of them. First thing, I want to be rich with Devraj's assets. And the second thing is the pleasure of you in my life. I can't lose any of these things.
Whatever he has given to me, I'll give everything to you. I need my husband back. Basu, please listen to me.
Hey,
Don't kill him,
just
please.
keep the phone.
Basu, please listen to me.
Hey, just got the call.
Basu, please. Basu. I didn't know what to do at that time. At that time only, these three guys called and said that they killed my husband. That's why I called you and said that my husband was killed by these guys. Vasu came to me and then only I knew that these three guys did not kill my husband.
Nandini? Nandu?
Vasu,
Hey.
you know what happened?
That's nice. Huh? You know that I am the killer, but still, you made them the
You
killers.
only killed him.
Super. Fantastic. Now those kids don't have anywhere to go. You know what? You should take all the assets and we'll leave.
You rascal. I told you don't kill my husband. Then why did you kill him?
Hey, just leave your hand, huh? Why? Why are you getting tensed? Huh? Listen, I don't say one thing now and say another thing later. Always the same thing I say. Like you, I don't change my mind all the time, alright? Hey, now what happened? We had already pre-planned all these things, right?
You killed my husband, but now those guys are stuck up.
That's their fate. Listen, we can't waste our time talking about this. Just take everything and we'll leave.
Leave me. I'll go to the police and tell all the truth and save them. What? You're going to kill me, is it?
Whoever disturbs me in having a good life, I'll kill them. Even if it's you.
Then kill me. Kill me.
Hey, no, Nandini.
Kill me.
Hey, no. Hey, I was
How
simply
dare
saying
you
it.
kill my husband?
No, I won't kill you.
Leave me.
Hey, don't worry.
Leave.
Hey, I
Kill
can't
me.
do this. Hey,
Kill.
come on, Nandini. Hey, come on, Nandini, please.
This is what happened.
Hello, Trinavakarasu, come here.
Yes, sir.
There is a body in madam's house. Send it for postmortem.
Okay, sir.
Paramashivam, release those boys and take this madam to the lockup.
Daddy, are you alright? Inspector sir, I told you that day itself my son will not kill anybody, but you didn't believe.
I pleaded with you that my son is innocent. You didn't listen to me, sir.
Parni, I know very well, Parni. You would not have done anything. I know that very well because you are my son, Parni.
Inspector sir, can I talk with them for some time?
Go ahead.
I need to talk with you guys. A man with the problems only will know what a problem is. In that same way, I chose a wrong direction, but I didn't want anyone to come in the same direction as I came in. All the children born in this world are good children only. Situations and circumstances only make them a good child and a bad child, and that is the truth. In our country, when a girl comes late to home, we ask her so many questions. But when a boy comes late to home, we never ask him questions because you have that much of hope and trust on him. At the same time, your sons fell for my beauty, and just because I said one word, they wanted to do a murder. Do you know that? That's because of their age. They will go in the wrong direction only. As parents, you only should take care of them. If you don't take care of them, this is what will happen. Rather than going to school, they were behind me only. Do you know that? The money you gave to pay his fees came to me as a sari for my birthday. Do you know that? When you send the kids to school, you must monitor that they are going to school and do their exams properly. How many of you parents are doing like this? Tell me. How many parents are going for the parents-teacher meeting? Tell me. You don't have time for that because you're going behind money, right? For whom are you saving this money, huh? After your kids get spoiled, there's no point in saving money. Do you know that? When I was studying, I was in love with a boy. My parents did not ask me what. That was the reason I'm standing here. I'm not saying you have to always see them for 24 hours, but just keep an eye on them. If an orphan gets into a wrong way, that is not a bad thing. But if a child has parents and goes into a wrong way, I would totally say it's the parents' mistake. It's up to you to take it and not take it. I'll take leave.
We trusted you so much. You betrayed our trust.
We don't want any more this kind of son.
Why did you do this? Why did you do this? Tell me.
I had more faith in you than I had faith in God. Now you have spoiled all that. A third person spat on my face. It is all because of you. I don't want a son like you. I'm gonna kill you with my own hands. Kill you. Kill you.
Beat me,
Kill you.
Don't beat me. Please forgive me. Hereafter I will study well and become school first.
Did you hear that? I will kill you.
Don't beat me. I will come district first.
I don't want to call you my son. I'm ashamed
I'll
of
get
you.
good marks and I'll be the state first.
Don't talk. Do it.
We once again believe all of you. Get well educated and get us all a very good name. Come, my son.
let's go.
Barney.
A plus B whole square is equal to A plus B, B square plus 2AB. A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus B square minus 2AB. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B. School first, school first.
Oh, my dear. Please have this.
Hey, no. District first. Study. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB. Hey, she is such a sweet girl, da. Come, let's get introduced.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Who are you?
We are staying opposite flat only, ma'am.
Oh, I see.
We are really good boys. And nearby our school, there is a market. If you want a fruits and vegetable, tell us. We will get it.
I will do any service, ma'am.
I will get milk in the morning,
Why
ma'am.
you guys want to do all this for me?
Nothing
Social
but
service, madam.
ma'am.
Oh, social service.
Hmm.
Anyways, if I need anything, I'll call you, okay?
Mm,
Okay.
mm.
Dude, hey, dude, ask her.
Wait. Madam,
What?
someone came now and offered juice, no?
Yes.
He is the one your husband, right? He's only asking, ma'am.
Ah, he only.
You fools! He's my father! Stupid.
Hereafter we will all be